It's Monday morning and the market is about to open up in 15 minutes. I was short from Friday in the previous video. I took a short in here, added to it in here somewhere, I can't remember. Or maybe he took the short here, added to it in here, took a little bit of heat and closed with a gain. We opened up on Sunday night and I stayed with the position. I put my limit and I went to bed. And overnight I got filled in here for half of my position. And this is all overnight. I didn't see this, but it did. This channel did hold. This was withdrawn earlier this morning when I got up, and I took the rest of the position in here. The key things to my and that's 16 points total from Friday and today, and I was down I think 2 points on Friday earlier, so plus 14 points for 2 days, which is very good. The key thing is to determine the bias or the trend of the market, and for me it's short. Obviously it's in here. Once that's done, that's when I start drawing channels. So we have this channel here, that's called my main channel, and it seems to be holding, and all I do is basically move the line. The same trend line stays, just move it across or extend it. I can't do it with ID, but either way. And obviously this did hold, and I could have taken a long here and would have been good for 74 to 74, 5 points. That's not bad. But also what you or I need to be looking at is there's channels everywhere in here. There's trades everywhere, as long as you have that bias. So let's start in here. We are downtrending. We're thinking short, and assuming this is a time that we can actually trade overnight. Then you have a channel in here, and you find as many lines as possible to align, and this will be this way. And what this is a flush right over here. That's when you take a short, and you're taking it here for 3 points. Then if we flushed again in here, you're taking another short. Then we broke this. Once this channel is broken, I would put a limit in here. That did not get filled, but it did get filled over here if you kept it long enough. Let's just put this in. So I would have waited for this to break. I would have been a short. I would have had a limit short in here. Would have filled in here. That would have been a great trade for at least 10 points, maybe more. Then you can do another channel in here, and this channel is, again, get as many points as possible. Then you would wait for this flush. Once this broken, you could have taken a little bit of heat or wait for the flush. You took it in here, took it anywhere in this bar. That would have been good for 5 points. And over here, you would have, this is a channel that got broken, but we're thinking short. We're thinking the trend is down, so we're not going to take a long in here for it to come back and touch this line and go up. But so I'm thinking short again. So now there's another channel in here, channel within a channel. Mac does that a lot, but because it works. I mean, a lot of people do it. Nothing that is new. Then we have this micro channel in here, and we broke it. And what you want to do is you want to wait, especially when you have 2 meeting channels in here. If the bias would have been higher, it'd be long in here for 5-6 points. But no, what I'm thinking of doing is continuing to think short, take all the short positions. So I'll leave this alone just so we can look at it at the end of the day and see if that worked or not. But for me, it would be a channel in here, and the channel is easy. Just align as many points as possible. The minimum is obviously 2. Then I'm looking at this, and I start removing some because eventually you'll have so many channels and so many lines you can't see the price. Once we broke and we flush this, we move up, flush this, go down, there'll be a short in here. Better yet, if we had continued to move and we flushed both of those channels in here, this would be a great setup for a short from here. And we'll look at it at the end of the day, but I just wanted to put this video up and show the trade from last week, and I'll update again. I think I'll most probably take another trade. It looks like it'll be an active day today, and I will most probably take another trade or two. If not, I'm good with what I made on Friday and today.